We can do this. Well, welcome back. Amy Wood here with Deanna Otts-Whitfield. Today's topic, we are talking about building a culture of compliance.
Yeah, Amy, I like that phrase, building a culture of compliance. It's more than just policies in your office. It's about everyone owning their role, no matter what your role is in that dental practice, and then keeping patients safe. But not only patient safety, keeping yourself safe as well, right? And we focus a lot on patient safety, but OSHA is really important about keeping us safe as providers. Because remember, when you leave your work family at the end of the day, you go home to your real family, your children, your spouse, your pets, and those germs that you didn't wear PPE for, or you didn't clean very well for, you're taking those home with you. So remember that you're going back out into the community. And then as like a healthcare provider, that's really important. That's the culture of compliance that I like to talk about.
And I know exactly what that's like.
Mhm.
Now I've never done clinical dentistry, so I am not exposed to those germs day in and day out. But when I was running IT, in Northern California, we would go into these offices. And I know when COVID hit, we were sending these guys in and we didn't have access to N95 masks and we couldn't get fit tested for that stuff. So we'd have to have our own protocols for when and how to put our guys in the safest position possible because they were going home to people.
Mhm.
And even during the holiday season, I would give Christmas gifts and I would go into these offices with a gift and I would not touch the door. I would open it with one of those, the metal keys that you open the door with.
Yeah, yeah. Remember those things
The
that were
gnarly
popular?
things.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
And my foot and my hip, those were things that I could do. And I would never touch the counters. And I would immediately go and hand sanitize up to my elbows because apparently I'm a germaphobe.
Well, remember that saying that I used a couple months ago? Would you lick that? Is
Ugh,
that clean? Would you lick that? Because if you know that you cleaned it and it's disinfected properly and sanitized properly, would you lick it? If you wouldn't, then don't let anyone else get harmed by that as well.
gross. People are so disgusting sometimes. And we don't want the team members to be disgusting too on
Right,
top of it.
right. Exactly, exactly.
Yeah. So, I mean, I think of it like a dental hygiene routine for your practice, daily brushing, flossing, checkups, all of that.
It's all real serious. Hey, Amy, I got a joke for you.
Oh gosh.
Why did the dental team love compliance?
Why?
Because it kept their practice cavity free.
That's an excellent one. I like that. And when compliance is everyone's job, the whole office wins, right?
I truly, truly agree. Absolutely. I love our job.
I know most people shy away from it, but I have a lot of fun with this.
I do too. I
I
do
know
too.
we're the weirdos that like safety and regulation and compliance
Yeah. And good thing a lot of people like us.
because we're fun.
We are fun. Damn it.
Well, subscribe, like, share with your team. And if you're stuck on anything, feel free to reach out to us. And until next time, stay safe.
Miles.
Thank you for joining us. For more information, please go to www.copperpennyconsulting.com. Bye.